Hi dear friends, welcome back to another video. Today, in this video, I will show you how to hard reset your Redmi device. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on this video. So let's get started. In this video, you can see a Redmi 7A device. Let me show you how we can hard reset this Android device. First of all, turn off the device. Now, try to turn it on. When the phone logo appears on the screen, hold the volume plus and power buttons together. When it's vibrate, release your finger. Next, scroll down using the volume down key and go to the wipe data option by pressing the power button. Press the power button again. Now, scroll down using the volume down key and confirm it. Your phone's data will now be wiped. After that, it will automatically reboot. If it does not reboot automatically, go back and reboot from the main menu. As you can see, my device has finally reset. Now, just set up the phone like it's a new one. I hope you can set it up easily, so I won't be showing the process here. So friends, this is how you can reset your Redmi Android device. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching this video.